Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Male, 28, single. I have an identical twin brother, and my twin started dating this chick whom I used to hang with back in high school. The chick and I had no history and were just friends, so it was cool. But as soon as they got into a relationship, sobrang weird, I suddenly had this intense desire towards her. My urges were wild, and I have been fantasizing about her. One night, she came over to sleep over, and in the middle of the night, need ko mag-bathroom. Coincidentally, she had to use the bathroom as well, and isa lang banyo namin sa house. My God, she was wearing a fitted t-shirt at wala siyang bra, and her breasts were massive. Sabi ko sa kanya, I had a hard-on and if she did not mind me touching her breasts. That night, we had our first of many sexes behind my brother's back. Fast forward to now, bachelor pa rin ako and yung twin brother ko is now married to my sister-in-law who I had been messing around with and they now have their firstborn. My new dilemma is that I'm not sure if the kid is my nephew or mine. I guess we'll never know.